Hello children, today we are going to learn about chapter 3 questions. In this chapter, there was a king who thought that to be a successful ruler, he must know the answer of 3 questions. The questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? By knowing the answers of these 3 questions, he was thinking that he will become successful in life. So, he wanted to know the answer of these 3 questions. The wise men and their solutions. Now, the king sent messengers in all directions to find people who could answer these questions. Many wise men came, but their answers were all different. For the first question, some of them felt that the king should follow a timetable, while there were others who felt that it is not possible to decide the right time for doing something in advance. So the king sent messengers in all directions and told them to announce whosoever will answer these 3 questions, that person will be rewarded. So many wise men came and they have given answers differently. Some said that the king should follow a timetable, that the king should make a timetable, while others was thinking that it is not possible to decide the right time for doing something in advance. Similarly, for the second question, some wise men said that the king should follow his counselors, while others thought that was the priest whom the king should listen. Then there were those who felt that it was the doctor the king should obey, while there were many who felt that in favor of soldiers. For the third question, some wise men said science should be of highest priority for the king, while others said religion. So, for the second question, again, everyone has given their different answers. Like some wise men were saying that king should listen to his counselors for advice. Then some others were saying that king should listen to the priest, and the other was saying that king should listen to the doctors. Or now to answer, or some were saying that he should listen to the soldiers. For the third question, some wise men said that king should be dependent on science, that he should give highest priority to the science, while others said that king should be religious, he should follow the religion, he should do something in spiritual. The king was not satisfied with any of the answers, so he did not reward anyone. He wanted to know his answers, so he went to the hermit who was living in woods. So the king was not satisfied with these answers as they were so different from each other. He didn't give any reward to anyone and thought to seek consultant of a wise hermit who lived in the jungle. The hermit will see only ordinary people, so the king dressed up like a normal man. The hermit only meets normal people. That's why king has to dressed himself up in a normal guy, leaving behind his horse and bodyguards, and went to the hermit's hut. So he has to leave his horse and bodyguards because he wanted to show that he was a normal man, so that hermit can meet him. If he will show that he is a king, hermit is not going to meet him. The hermit was an old man and was busy digging the ground in front of his house. When the king reached the hermit's house, he was digging the ground. The king told the hermit that he has come in search of answers for his 3 questions and repeated them. Now the king went to the hermit and told him that he came there to know the answers of the 3 questions, and he asked 3 questions from the hermit.